Here's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, driver and passenger memory seats, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,